welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore possessive pronouns. These special words help us show ownership. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what possessive pronouns are and how to use them in sentences. Let's get started. Section 1. What are possessive pronouns? First, let's define possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are words that indicate ownership. They replace nouns to show that something belongs to someone. For example, instead of saying the book of John, we can say his book. Examples: this is my bag. It's not say this is the book of me. Second example: that is her scooter. It's not say that is the scooter of her. Section 2. List of possessive pronouns. Now, let's look at the list of possessive pronouns in English. First one, mine, for the first person singular. Example: that book is mine. Second one, yours, for the second person singular or plural. Example: is this pen yours? Third one, his, for the third person singular male. Example: that jacket is his. Fourth one, hers, for the third person singular female. Example: the red bag is hers. Fifth one, its, for non-human subjects. Example: the cat cleaned its fur. Sixth one, ours, for the first person plural. Example: the house is ours. Last one, theirs, for the third person plural. Example: those toys are theirs. Section 3. How to use possessive pronouns. Now that we know the possessive pronouns, let's see how to use them in sentences. Examples: instead of saying, this is the book of John, we say, this book is his. Second example, instead of, the toys of the children are on the floor, we say, the toys are theirs. Third example, instead of, that is the car of Mary, we say, that car is hers. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when using possessive pronouns. First mistake: confusing possessive pronouns with possessive adjectives. Example: don't say my book is mine, just say my book. Second mistake: forgetting to use the apostrophe for possessive nouns. Example: this is John's book, shows that the book belongs to John. Without the apostrophe, it reads as if John's is a plural noun, which doesn't make sense in this context. Correct one is, this is John's book. Okay? Section 5. Practice exercise. Let's do a quick practice exercise. I'll say a sentence, and you can fill in the correct possessive pronoun. This is my friend. This friend is. This friend is. This friend is mine. Second one. The dog is barking. The dog belongs to Lily, so it is. It is. It is hers. Last one. They have a car. That car is. That car is. That car is theirs. Great job today! You've learned what possessive pronouns are, their forms, how to use them, and some common mistakes to avoid. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons and leave your questions in the comments. See you next time!